Hello, friends, and welcome to virtual math class. And today we're going to continue talking about U.S. coins, and we'll be discussing penny, nickel, and dime. Vocabulary. The first vocabulary word is nickel. Can you say nickel? A nickel is a coin worth 5 cents. So how much is a nickel worth? Good. Our next vocabulary word is a dime. Can you say dime? A dime is a coin that is worth 10 cents. A dime is a coin that is worth 10 cents. So how much is a dime worth? 10 cents. Then our last vocabulary word is a penny. Can you say penny? A penny is worth 1 cent. How much is a penny worth? 1 cent. Good job. The cub. So the cub lets us know what we are learning and what your job is going to be. So students will know U.S. coins, penny, nickel, and dime. Students will understand how to identify U.S. coins by their characteristics. And characteristics are things like their color, their size, the images that is on heads and tails. And then your job will be, listen carefully, students will be able to identify U.S. coins, penny, nickel, and dime. So repeat after me. My job is to identify U.S. coins, penny, nickel, and dime. Good. Okay, friends, so now let's look at the characteristics of a nickel. Okay, what is the name of the person on the front of the nickel? Thomas Jefferson. Good job. And what are some things that you notice about Thomas Jefferson? You can see his long ponytail, yes. And you can see the collar of his shirt, yes, good job. And then on the back of the nickel, this is Thomas Jefferson's home called the Monticello, remember? Can you say Monticello? Good. And what color is a nickel? It is silver, silver, okay? So what I want you to do right now, I want you to pause the video and talk with a partner and talk about what do you notice about the nickel? What are some characteristics that you see on heads or tails of the nickel? Go ahead and pause and do that now. Okay, now that we discussed the nickel, what coin is this? A penny. Good, a penny. If you said penny, kiss your brain. Awesome. Who is the person on the front of a penny? Abraham Lincoln. Say his name again. Abraham Lincoln. Yes, good. And what is on the back of the penny? It's called the Lincoln Memorial. Can you say that? Lincoln Memorial. Good job. Okay. Now, what color is a penny? Brown or copper? Brown or copper. Good. Now let's look at the dime. Okay. So this is a dime. Can you say dime? And the dime is the smallest coin. Okay. A dime is even smaller than a penny. Okay, it's the smallest coin. Now, the person that's on the front or on heads of the coin is Franklin Roosevelt. Can you say that? Franklin Roosevelt. Good. Now, on tails of the back of the dime, okay, you see a fiery torch. Okay. You see an olive branch, and you see an oak branch. Okay. So you see three things on the back of a dime. You see a torch, olive branch, and an oak branch. Okay. All right, can you repeat after me? On the back of a dime, there's a torch, an olive branch, and an oak branch. Good. All right, now I want you to pause the video and I want you to discuss the characteristics of a dime. Okay, the characteristic of a dime with a partner. Go ahead and do that now. And one thing that I forgot to do, let's go back and look at the penny. We forgot to talk about the characteristics of a penny. Okay, all right, so let's do that now. Go ahead, turn to your partner, talk about the characteristics of a penny. Okay, go ahead and pause the video and do that now. All right, now with your teacher or one of your family members, you're going to go ahead and see if you can identify different U.S. coins next, okay? You're going to have to circle the correct coin. Good luck and remember those characteristics.